Welcome to Mark's British Airways Fleet Update, looking at short and long-haul fleets.
It's time once again for the British Airways Fleet Update here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams. We'll be looking at all the latest developments across the short and long-haul fleets, including the CityFlyer and Euroflyer subsidiaries. Make sure you like this video and drop us your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and click for notifications. Now, let's get going with this week's update.
Welcome to the British Airways Fleet Update, short and long haul across the BA subsidiaries. Let's have a look. And just a reminder, there's another video that I posted at the beginning of this week all about the Las Vegas Airbus A350 incident. Well, that's a quick summary of what we're looking at. The Faro Airbus A321 Gatwick-based aircraft having a bird strike, returning Prime Minister on a 777 to China. The wheel drama with Las Vegas on the A350 does get covered, and all your maintenance moves, and the withdrawal of an Airbus A319 for scrap. Over at CityFlyer, the Embraer 190s, Lima Charlie Yankee Zulu back from Exeter Aerospace as the Flyer 9761 on the 19th of January, straight back into service. Lima Charlie Alpha Foxtrot on the 30th of January 9760 to London City. Lima Charlie Yankee Papa flew down to Exeter on the 29th of Jan, and Lima Charlie Yankee Oscar flew to Exeter as the 9761 on the 19th of January. Over at Gatwick and the Euroflyer fleet, Echo Uniform X-Ray India remains at Malta, been there quite a long time. Echo Uniform Echo off maintenance at Dublin, flew for a very short period of time, down to Faro on the 23rd of January, back as the BA 2663 from Faro, but a bird strike on departure. The aircraft circled over the Atlantic, dumped some fuel, returned to Faro in Portugal, flight cancelled. Quite a bit of work, I think, needed. The aircraft on the ground at Faro over a week, eventually returning as Griffin 9750 back to Gatwick on the 30th of January, back into traffic on the 1st of February. Echo Uniform X-Ray Charlie on the ground at Gatwick for a number of days, 11 days, eventually returning on a Geneva flight back into traffic. Golf Alpha Tango Uniform flew up to Glasgow, Griffin 9751 on the 19th of January, and three aircraft I've recorded there: Golf Alpha Tango Mike, Golf Alpha Tango Sierra, and Echo Uniform X-Ray out of traffic at Gatwick on the ground for a little while. On the short haul mainline fleet out of London, Heathrow, Echo Uniform Papa Juliet, the BEA liveried retrojet that remains at Malta for life extension check. Echo Uniform Yankee Whiskey flew to Malta on the 15th of Jan, that remains there. Delta Bravo Charlie Echo remains at Madrid, and Echo Uniform Yankee Mike remains on the ground in Dublin. Echo Uniform Yankee Kilo out of traffic for nearly 2 weeks, but back flying again from the 26th of January. Delta Bravo Charlie Juliet flew to Hanover, but unable to return on the 25th of Jan, flew back empty the next day. November Echo Oscar Papa flew to Istanbul 26th of January on the BA 678. The return 679 cancelled, empty back the next day. Echo Uniform Yankee Papa back from Madrid, empty on the BA 9274 with similar issues. Echo Uniform Yankee November flew out for maintenance on the 1st of February. November Echo Oscar X-Ray, one of the Heathrow A321 Neos that returned from maintenance at Gatwick on the BA 9279. Echo Uniform Foxtrot remains at Glasgow for maintenance since the 8th of January. Quite a few moves to and from Manchester: Tango November X-Ray, November Whiskey, and Tango November Echo Delta all to and from Tango Tango Sierra Hotel, spending about 9 or 10 days out of use at Heathrow, and Tango Tango Sierra Golf out of use at Heathrow since the 26th of January. Tango Tango Sierra Hotel out of use Heathrow for a period, but you can see it flew to Munich on the 29th of Jan, return flight cancelled, 2 days on the ground and then back from Munich. You'll notice this is a feature of incidents with British Airways, that unfortunately a number of the incidents that they're recording are involving aircraft that have relatively recently come off maintenance. I guess that's a concern in British Airways as well. Pilot training slightly differently. They've flown an aircraft up in passenger service to Glasgow on the 27th and 28th, Echo Uniform Yankee Papa both days. Obviously built this around the timetable, and then a Glasgow Chateauroux rotation on the 27th, which is interesting, but a more local trip on the 28th from Glasgow down to Prestwick, very short flight indeed, for a morning of circuit training, and then back on 2 separate shuttle flights. Bit of an update on scrapping those aircraft, Papa Golf, Oscar Golf, Papa Kilo, Papa Delta. They're the next 4 Airbus A319s we think that are likely to be withdrawn. But we can record on this show the withdrawal of Echo Uniform Oscar Echo. Heathrow flew to Kemble as the BA9270 just a few days ago. That aircraft had finished in service back on the 20th of January as the BA545 in from Bologna, but had not worked for about a week. Slightly unusual approach that. Normally they send them straight for scrap, so it looks like there was some deliberating. That aircraft joined the fleet in September 2001. Like all the other short-haul aircraft, it was densified, which basically involves squeezing a load more seats in one row of 6, one of 3, and flew down on the 28th of January as the BA9270. 25 years in service. In August last year, it was recorded at 51,786 hours. It's probably well beyond 52,000 now. So that's Echo Uniform Oscar Echo off for scrap and part out down at the Cotswold Airport in Kemble. That's what it looks like. The position we described originally last year in 2025. A couple of those aircraft in green have had a reprieve. The ones that have gone, including Echo Uniform Oscar Echo in red, and 4 more in amber there that I think are likely to go, even though they didn't get withdrawn by the original planned date. Of course, BA reserve the right to send 1 or 2 or more of those off for more C checks and keep them in traffic, and they don't actually have a lot of new aircraft coming over the next few months, so we'll see what happens. Onto the long-haul fleet and the Airbus A350s. X-Ray Whiskey Bravo Echo out of use on the ground at Abu Dhabi since the 23rd of Jan. X-Ray Whiskey Bravo Alpha flew out to Dallas Fort Worth on the 27th of Jan. The return flight cancelled, and after 2 days on the ground it came back as the BA9603, but that may be more about crew and weather than anything wrong with the aircraft. But one scenario where there definitely was something wrong with the aircraft was X-Ray Whiskey Bravo November BA274 out of Vegas on the 26th of Jan. And that aircraft, quite a high profile incident, separate video about the wheel loss. BA keen to get that aircraft back into service on the 3rd of February once all the investigations are complete. On the Airbus A380s, of course, 2 aircraft still in Manila. No news on the refresh. 9 out of 10 is the requirement, and that's not being met on a regular basis. So cancellation on the Dubai route, 29th of Jan, Echo Alpha. Substitutions from 777-300s on the Los Angeles route on 2 occasions, and a cancellation planned, and 4 of the Airbuses taking various periods of time out of traffic, so not really hitting 9 out of 10 as is needed. 777 fleet, Sierra Tango Bravo Lima remains at Cardiff for maintenance. Sierra Tango Bravo Echo remains out in Taipei in the Far East for maintenance. Sierra Tango Bravo Charlie and Bravo Hotel doing that. A380 substitution we just talked about on the BA 269, 268. Sierra Tango Bravo Juliet dropped in on Goose Bay in Canada on its way to San Francisco on the 29th of Jan. BA 287, only 3.5 hours late, which is not bad. No crew rest issues. The aircraft just refueled and carried on. And a serious incident out in Grand Cayman on the 24th of Jan with Victor India Yankee. Aircraft unable to return, quite a lot of passengers to bring back. So Victor India Juliet dispatched on a non-stop flight, which you don't normally see. London Heathrow to Grand Cayman and back via Nassau. Cancellation of a Newark rotation to resource that. India Whiskey itself repaired and returned on the 29th of Jan, 5 days later. And one that you've probably seen in the national media, Sierra Tango Bravo Oscar, hired by the government in the UK to fly Sir Keir Starmer, Prime Minister, and all his entourage and party on a state visit out to Beijing, then Shanghai, and then across to Tokyo and back, circumnavigating the world in the process. Dreamliners in British Airways, Juliet Kilo, Juliet Mike for Club Suites, fitment in Cardiff. Juliet Delta, we believe, is Club Suites with new engines, but no sign of that yet. Juliet Alpha spent most of January out of use, back into traffic on the 25th after that aborted departure to Jeddah. A couple of rotations that seemed okay, but the aircraft removed from traffic for a repaint in Spain on the 29th of January. Kilo India returning from its repaint with the same crew. Kilo Golf flew down to Cardiff, as did Juliet Bravo, both going down on the 25th. Very brief visits, back the next day. Not quite sure what that was all about, but maybe someone here can tell us in the comments. That's the update. Slight improvement, 21.4% of the Dreamliner fleet. Still a big number, 5 out of 12 7878s, 2-9s, 2-10s, and still 5 aircraft waiting Rolls-Royce engines. That just about wraps it up. That's the British Airways Fleet update for this week. Thanks to those of you that enjoy the videos so much you bang the like button here on YouTube. Even more thanks if you engage with a comment or you give me some information. Thanks to everyone on Flyer Talk for their hints and tips and information. Pointers for more research. Do check out the Flyer Talk website. I'll catch you here on Mark's Trains, Planes and Trams for another video. But before I go, just remember to have a look at the Las Vegas engine issue with the undercarriage and the wheel dropping off. Worth a look.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss any of the great trips Mark has coming your way on this YouTube channel.